Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful hair tie. So we need yarn of these three colors, a hair tie, needle and thread and a pair of scissors. And I'm going to use a hook of 2.5 mm for this project. So I'm going to use yarn of color A. This is slip knot on my hook, chain 3, go back to the first chain, insert the hook in, pull through both the loops. Chain 1, we are not going to count this chain because this is the turning chain. Single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook into the chain that we did earlier, pull through both the loops. Now cut the yarn from here because we are going to add yarn of color B to the pattern. Now take yarn of color B, this is slip knot on my hook, join the yarn on the top of the first stitch with slip stitch, chain 3, yarn over, double crochet 1, 2, chain 3 again, join these stitches into the same stitch with slip stitch, chain 3, yarn over into the next stitch, double crochet 1, 2, chain 3, join these chains into the same stitch with slip stitch, chain 3 again into the next stitch, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 3, join these chains into the same stitch with slip stitch. So these are 3 petals. Follow the same pattern and make 3 more petals, and we will meet again when the flower would be complete. When the flower is complete, join the stitches into the first stitch and cut the yarn from here. Follow the same pattern and complete 2 flowers with these 2 colors and 1 more flower with these 2 colors, and we will meet again when all these 3 flowers would be completed. When these 4 flowers are complete, I am going to use yarn of this color to make the tassel. So take the yarn for 10 times around your fingers, and now wrap it around these loops. Now cut the yarn from here and tie a nice knot. In this way. Now I'm going to take yarn of white color to make the string for the hair tie. So I took yarn of white color, and the length of my yarn is for about 334 centimeters, and I folded this yarn. Now this is slip knot on my hook. Insert the hook into all the loops at the top and pull through all the loops. Chains I am going to make. So complete making chains, and we will meet again when the string would be completed. When the string is complete, the length of the string is for about 37 centimeters. Now cut these ends of the tassel, and now hide the yarn inside the tassel in this way. Now put the flowers on the top of this strings, and now I am going to sew all the flowers on the top of the string with the help of needle and thread. I am going to show you how to sew the flower. So take needle and thread and sew the flower on the top of the string in this way. So sew all the remaining 3 flowers in equal distance on the top of the string, and we will meet again when the string would be completed. When this string is complete, follow the same pattern and make 2 more for the hair tie. When these 3 strings are complete, we are going to tie it to our hair tie. For this, we will need yarn of this color and chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chains. Now take this hair tie. Now pull the yarn a little long, insert the hook into the chain, pull through 2. Into the next chain, insert the hook in, pull through 2. Now take a string, insert the hook into the string. Now into the next chain, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over again, insert the hook into the same place, pull through, yarn over, insert the hook into the same place, pull through. Into the next chain, pull through 2. Into the next chain, pull through 2. Now take the second string, insert the hook into the loop, into the chain, yarn over, pull through 2. Again into the same stitch, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull through 2. In this way, you can see these 2 strings are attached to the hair tie. Follow the same pattern and attach the third of the string to the hair tie, and we will meet again when these 3 strings would be added to the hair tie. When these 3 strings are added to the hair tie, I am going to add 3 flowers on the top in this way to make it look more beautiful with the needle and the yarn. So complete adding these 3 flowers on the top of the hair tie, and we will meet again when this hair tie would be completed. This hair tie is complete when these 3 flowers are added on the top of the hair tie. This project is easy and fast growing, and I am sure that you are going to enjoy making this project. Thank you so much.